5 Day Kids. And today we have a Ryan Series 3 surprise egg.
You know, I just ate something.
We did 1 and 2. We did like 2 Series 1s and 1 Series 2. Series 1.
So we opened the blue one and the red one.
But we didn't open the
yellow
one.
Is it yellow?
Yellow and blue.
Yeah, okay. So this is Series 3.
And guys, it's too fun, huh?
It has Ryan. Now, it says over here what's in it. If you haven't seen our last Ryan egg videos, it has a mystery tattoo, mystery stickers, build a Ryan, a mystery figure, mystery Putty, mystery vehicle, mystery squishy figure.
And this. Remember this?
What's that?
I said it.
Let's see, what's that?
It's a tattoo. Yeah, no scratch. Oh,
yeah. I did it.
Peel it. Peel it.
And I just got the hair.
Peel it. Peel it.
Peel it. Nice tape.
You punch it? Oh.
That's easy. And I just opened the other one.
I feel like this is supposed to be covered, but we got no Jeep for the mystery vehicle.
But we got other vehicle, I think.
Alright, we're gonna see how it
Guys,
it's a wind up.
guys.
Whoa, so much stuff.
Squishy.
We don't know what these are.
Open it, Tina.
Alright, I'm gonna open this one.
I'm gonna open this one.
Here we go.
Oh, he didn't say what's outside, huh? It's all mystery.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why it's called a Ryan mystery egg.
Yeah.
No clue. Oh, it's a figure. It's the buildable figure.
Oh, it's called a
It's the buildable figure.
Hello, Panda.
Alright, let's open this.
The scissors or not?
Yeah, these are buildable figures. I just took them apart completely. And just...
I don't need the scissors.
It's basically just like Lego.
Okay, let's just start opening the other ones.
Just that the arms are connected for some reason.
Guys, let's open the other ones.
So now, then we can just... Hold up, give me a second. Here we go, yes.
Is she connect? Is she take apart? Also? No?
Her arms are harder to move.
Okay, she's not done. Okay.
That's just a normal figure. Alright, let's open some more.
I just opened one.
Oh, I think I got the squishy figure. Squishy figure. Is this the slime or Putty? I think it might be Putty.
Yeah. I think slime.
Hold up.
I got Ryan!
It's so sticky.
I got Ryan.
It's so sticky. Alright, I got a small piece. Whoa! Whoa! I broke.
I got the clown Ryan. Okay. It's cute. Wait, this one's so easy to move the arms. So easy.
Oh, I got the sticker! And the tattoos! Here's the sticker. It's a little sharky. And then these tattoos actually go with the figures.
And I got the last one.
It's a little backwards, but it works. Hold up. Let me just put these around. There we go. A little better. And he's going to be driving the car.
Did these take apart, Ethan? Try. No.
Hat doesn't come off. How about the head?
Twist? The head twisted? Okay, don't break it.
Oh! Head come off. Okay, he comes completely
Can you
apart.
mix and match them?
Wait, look. Even the tie comes off.
Yeah, let's mix and match them.
Yeah, match the heads. I got squishy. I got squishy, guys. What is this? Okay, let's get in.
Alright, and then...
Guys, I got the whale. Look.
Squishy. Let's see squishy. He's so cute. Is he a shark?
Yeah.
I'm Professor Panda Guy.
It's a lot of trash.
And this is what he did to me in one of the experiments. Help me!
turn Ryan into a panda.
Halfway.
And then can we play?
I really like this slime though.
Can I feel it?
Wait. 3, 2, 1. Stretch test!
2.
No.
Bye. Oh no, oh no.
2 circles.
I need the tie too.
I need 2 circles.
I'm going on a field trip, so I need this.
Going on a trip and I need to take some. It winds up, but doesn't work in carpet. But there it goes. It's right downstairs.
It's doing different.
We have the slime. It's just plain orange, sticky slime and stretchy. Clown Ryan. Like a normal clown. We have part of Professor Ryan and part of Combo Panda.
I don't know who she is.
I don't know either. Who is she?
The other part of Professor Ryan and the other part of Combo Panda.
Sharky
Oh wait, the
guy.
glasses come off.
Sharky guy. Just
Whoops.
my head.
He took his glasses off.
So if you like this video, like,
Subscribe, share.
Comment down below.
If you got one of these before, what are you doing? And hit the notification bell so you know when we post a video. Bye.
ow.